Alright guys, this here is the HDR50 inside of this is a carbine from ZRAM. It is the Tech9 kit. This is the full body kit. It's actually the longer version. You can see you can take one of these off or one of these off, make it a short, a medium, and kind of a longer build. We're gonna be testing the OG ZRAMs, the Z50s, the 2s. These are the Gen 2 versions. I tried the old ones, but I got a few toggles with them, and he came out with these ones after, and yeah, there's a lot more better balance, these ones. And if you see, they got those little grooves in there, so when you're shooting out of a smooth bore barrel, like it doesn't go all the way through, so you're not going to lose that pressure seal from like the bore match. But as these travel through the air, the wind will catch in those grooves and automatically spin this. So, anyways, I'd imagine the faster you shoot them, the faster they will spin. Just common sense. But yeah, let's just put some ZRAMs in. Oh, hold on, I got one handy. Let me just put you guys on this. Okay. Yeah, these are like 6.2 grams. Alright, so we're going to get about, I'm not sure the diameter, but with steel ball bearings, we're at about the 70 joule mark. I'm using the one-piece double extension barrel from HD24. This is their HD24 suppressor. All this stuff can be purchased at zram.net. But yeah, so that gives me around with this round ball. This barrel will give me around 70 joules, and then if you put two of the normal extensions together, it comes in a bit longer. You get around 75 joules with that one, with round balls. So these here, I don't know if these are the same diameter as the round balls, but we might get a little more, we might get a little less. Who knows? But we should be somewhere around the, I'd say the 65, 70 joule mark. But we're not using steel bearings, so every ammo, every bore matched ammo has a different number slightly, so. Yeah, so let's drop this in. Alrighty, so. Yeah, I got 1100 PSI HPA. We're just gonna be shooting at down a board down there. It's just a 2x8 pine board. You get your normal Home Depot or Rona or whatever. Yeah, so we're just shooting down at that trap there. Catch all the balls. I got the chronograph here, so yeah, let's just take a couple shots here and see what happens. Okay. I went to make this video yesterday, but I was using the Mercury Rise X68 degasser up in there, and I don't know, it's just a cunt hair shorter, so I got a leak with it, so I put the normal one back on, the Umarex cap. Alright, so let's see what happens here. Oh, my tank's not filled. Shit. Okay, I got two gauges. One shows how much my tank is, and the top one shows the output. So we're at 1100 PSI. Oh, we're just over 2000. I don't know if we're going to have enough power to send these out because I'm wide open. They might start dying off down near the end. Alright, let's go. Alrighty, so oh, hold on a minute. Alright, let's go check it out. Yeah, I took my degassing plug off, so. Oops. Just degassing this. I normally have a degasser on here, but not with this one. Here, let me just fire this last. Let's go check a look at that board. Yeah, so I was shooting on a kind of an angle, so. Oh yeah, we got a nice split right there. We got a miss. Oh yeah. So yeah, those are punched right in there, really nice. Pretty sweet. They're all going nice and straight, they seem. But a lot of times too, when you hit the board, it moves it. It'll like shift a different direction, and then your next shot will look like it's. And then when you look at it straight on, it'll look like angled, but anything in the back? Probably not. Oh wow, we got a nice split in that board. I'm surprised. Usually, I shot these boards with like 150 or 140 joules, and we actually split it all the way down the middle one board like this, but this is only half the power. So wow, maybe because it's pointed versus those lead slugs I was using. Like, that just shows you how much difference pointed ammo does, man. It's just so much more damaging. Anyways, guys, yeah, that's just a test of the ZRAM. Oh shit, I left my laser on. I didn't even look at the numbers. Let's see here. So yeah, 481, 496. Yeah, that's right around 70 joules. 6.2 grams. Yeah, that's like 70 joules. 496 and 439. That's down my. Let me go look at my PSI on my tank. I'll bet you we dropped below our PSI. Yes, we did. Just below 1100. So yeah, that would explain why that last shot's a little bit less. Anyways, yeah, man. I'd like to have this guy in, this HD24 guy, because this one degasses. But it won't fit in the threads of this one, so this one takes the European HPA threads. The American ones it doesn't like so much. But yeah, guys, y'all stay safe, take care as always.